Hello, hello, hello. Shalom, shalom, shalom. ¿Cómo está, Capo? Welcome to the JewPino show. The JewPino show. Today is car wash day. Our car, they've been putting a lot of salt on the road, expecting it to snow, but it hasn't snowed a lot lately. So we're getting the salt washed off our car. And this is what it's like to go through a car wash. And I got a coupon today, a prepaid coupon in our foam and wash book. They sell prepaid tickets ahead of time, so we gotta wait in line behind somebody so I can talk to the man and pay before we go in. They also have a monthly service where you pay once a month and you can go in through as many times as you want. But I usually just like to go through coupons because I don't wash my car that much. Hello, hello, hello.
Good, how are you?
All right, I got a coupon.
I got something on my nose.
No, 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 you good.
You said I had something on my nose. All right.
I know, I was doing the same thing. All right, I got a coupon.
All right, so you only have to use one of them.
Oh, yeah, I think it's the last one.
Oh, it's the last one?
Yeah, so I'll take the booklet back here because it's got coupons. You guys still do the
So
oil
we do
change?
still sell them.
No, but the oil changes.
Oh, so unfortunately, no, we don't do oil.
Oh, man. Because I thought it had a coupon for the oil changes, too.
All right, so this is good for a complete wash.
All right.
Wash discounts.
That include the, yeah, we'll just take a complete wash today till I can get a job and get the extras. Just get the salt off my car, I'm good.
All right, and you're all set.
All right, thank you, my friend. All right, you too. Don't work too hard.
Thank you. Happy New Year.
All right, yeah. All right, the gate's up, and we're closing in to go through a car wash. Come around the corner, and ta-da! This is where they spray you. Still waiting behind that Jeep. The Jeep taking a long time. I wonder what's wrong with him. He must be dirtier than us. Oh, they rebuilt that whole thing already? They used to do oil changes here too, but it looks like they redid the whole place. They rebuilt it and it's not oil changing anymore. So that's what they do. They rub a brush, they spray it down. Ooh, look at that. They must have been really dirty like us. So, if you like what you see so far, please subscribe to my channel, the JewPino channel. Okay, they're waving me in, but I don't want to run anybody over. Okay, come on, straight. He's spraying the stuff on me. That's all right, okay. Okay. All right, neutral and no brake. We're getting sprayed. Here we go. This is just a basic wash. We're not getting any extras. Just getting the salt taken off. Woo! Oh, somebody jumped in front. Get out of the way, mister. Oh my God. I can't believe it. Look, we're getting sprayed on the side. Oops. Gotta take the handicap sticker off on that part. Blue stuff coming. Oh my God, oh, we're getting washed. The rags are rubbing on us. Look, even in the back. Even the back of the windows is getting washed. Oh my God, oh my God. I'm trapped in this washing machine. Now I know what it's like to go through the washer. When I wash my clothes, now they're spraying more suds on. Oh, scary. Banging on the windows. More soapy suds. Like the pump. Oh, you pay. Here comes the rain X. They make it look like it's raining. So all the soap gets washed off your car. And the super dryers. Ew. Now we're going through the drying system. And the hand rags are coming out. Oh, the hand rags didn't come out. What's up with that? Guess I didn't get paid the towel. Guess I didn't get paid extra for the towels. Okay. Wait. Okay, now I can go put it in the drive. And yay, we got our car washed. Right, let me put the windshield wipers on. It looks like it's got some spots on. Okay, that was it. We got our car washed. Thank you very much for washing my car and getting all the salt off my car. If you like what you saw, please subscribe to the JewPino channel. Hit like if you liked it. And we're going to drive out of the car wash now and have a nice rest of the day. And have a happy new year. Okay, bye-bye.